monetize. That's why you need to be aware of, even you are so busy, you still need to update your channel, do live stream like that. But people are, maybe they don't, or they're just like tired having upload every day. But before, for how many years I don't do live stream. This channel is since 2021, but just check, only like two live stream I do in 2021. I don't do upload. I don't do live stream before. I'm tired of talking in my live, because I already talk. I already do live is in my another application. That's why I don't do live in YouTube. And YouTube, it's not easy to do live. It's not allowed to have background music because you get copyright, and those live you cannot earn $1 from it. Mm. So what? Yeah. Parang baliw. of course I off my mic there. What you gonna expect? What it means? I off my mic. It's not off my mic. People in people in Popo Live are crazy. They're asking, your mic is off. Your mic is off. Of course it's I off it. I don't want to hear my voice talking with another apps. Oh, crazy. So they didn't use their mind. They didn't use their mind. That's why it's off. It's because I don't want to talk about anything else. Crazy. Crazy. Actually, in YouTube, it's not really strict. It's not really strict. Only the that kind of videos is in live stream. It's not really strict. Only the music. It's not allowed. It's not allowed music. It's not allowed music. But in live, it's not really strict. But in uploaded videos, there's a rules you need to read every rules before you upload videos, of course, because they're gonna off your dollars. They're gonna off your dollars if it's not no, it's against the rules of YouTube. Me, I think I didn't read the rules of YouTube before, because it's, but of course I'm aware of what kind of rules is that. I know every time if you are uploading about animals like this, they are strict of that, because when I upload my short videos yesterday, and I'm playing with my cat. They off the comment section. They off the comment section because I'm there. I'm there in my short videos, and I'm playing with her. They off the comment section, and I think because I'm there, and some part of my legs are showing in that short videos. They off the comment section. That's the kind of, they're strict in uploaded short and vlogs. But if only, if you do only you do record, but only your cats only, without showing your any parts of your body or something like that, because they're strict in video and uploaded, but they're not strict in live stream. Some people are showing their, some parts of their legs, something like this, but YouTube doesn't care. Ikidi. But I don't know what to talk. Kasi my throat is so itchy if I keep talking.